Hello children, welcome to my class. I am Momita and today in this session I'll tell you how to write letters to editor, that is newspaper editor. Now why? First of all, why do we write a letter to the editor? When we feel that there is some problem and the problem is not sorted out, we write a letter to the editor, asking him to publish it in his paper so that whoever is responsible for solving the problem, he might get alert and do something essential or do the needful action to solve the problem. Now, most of you I have seen while writing letter to the editor, what you do is you write the letter and then at the end you write, please publish this in your newspaper so that please take some action. Now remember one thing, newspaper editors cannot take any action, they cannot solve your problem. They will publish it in the paper to bring it to the limelight so that the people and the concerned authorities are awakened, they know about the problem and find out a solution. So newspaper editors are not going to solve your problem. Please keep it in mind. Never write, please do the needful and solve this problem. No. Do the needful, publish the letter in your newspaper, dedicate a column of your newspaper so that the concerned authorities might do the needful and solve this problem. Now, here I have written a letter to the editor with its various parts, components. Now, if you see here, what does the question say? You are Shilpa or Sohail, residing at 46 Madanpur, New Delhi 76. Write a letter to the editor highlighting the dirty and choking condition of river Yamuna. Now first of all, here you need to write the address of the sender, that is who is sending the letter. Here we see that Shilpa is sending the letter and his address is 46 Madanpur, New Delhi 76. So that address is written here. Then we write the date, we leave a line and then we write the date, 31st August 2020. So we need to write the date after leaving a line. Please do not write this address and the date together without leaving any line. Again we leave the next line and then we write the address of the receiver. This is the format for all the official letter. Now here we write, what do we write? The editor. Please don't write to the editor, it's wrong. The editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. You can write any newspaper if it is not mentioned, and you can write the name of any newspaper if it is not mentioned in the question. Now this part is called respected sir. This is salutation. You are saluting him, addressing him. Respected sir, and then you need to write the subject. What is the subject of the letter? Dirty condition of river Yamuna. Now the introduction and body part, that both has been clubbed together, right? In editorial letter, it is better to write 2 paragraphs. You may also write 3 paragraphs. With due respect and humble submission, I, Shilpa or Sohail, whatever, would like to bring to your notice the poor condition of river Yamuna. Now this is the introduction. Now what is the problem? It is choked with garbage and is stinking like a gutter. Its wretched condition, this wretched condition of the once mighty and holy river is really painful. Municipality is also evasive. Evasive means it is indifferent, it's not taking any action, it is avoiding, it is dodging the responsibility and indifferent in this matter. It's really painful to see this precious water body turn into a drain. Now this forms your introduction and your body part. Then you are supposed to write the conclusion. While writing the conclusion, you need to change the... Now see children, while writing the conclusion, you need to change the paragraph. It's not clear because the board was quite small. So here, this is the concluding part. So here you need to change the paragraph, right? In this regard, I would request you, see from here, you have to change the paragraph. In this regard, I would request you to dedicate a column of your esteemed newspaper to bring it to public notice so that the concerned authority might do the needful to mitigate. The word mitigate means solve, mitigate the problem. So this forms your conclusion, and then at the end, see, I have given 2 stars here because there was not enough space in the board to write the subscription, the ending part. Here you need to write the subscription at the end. Extreme end of the extreme corner, you need to write, thanking you, yours faithfully, Shilpa or Sohail, whatever name you take. Okay, now this is the format of the editorial letter. Make sure you do not use any formal language. Your language should be very precise and your language should be very official. And the second thing is that do not extend and write long letters. Editorial letters should be precise and very small. That's all about letters to editor, children. I hope I have been able to give you a precise idea about how to write a letter. Thank you.